Welcome everybody to another episode of Formula Tutorials and Diecast, and welcome to all diecast enthusiasts in the diecast community. Today we have another Majorette. This one's not from the 164 scale, it's from the 187 scale or HO scale. These are some of the models. I wasn't gonna get this or start collecting this set just because I already have all of this in 164 and all of this in 164, but they don't have this roller with the interchangeable attachments. So I decided, well, let's get that one just to add it to the 187 scale that we already had. And as you can see, this is licensed from Diecast 187 ages 8 and up. And yeah, the only difference from the original is that this part detaches, so we're not gonna waste any time with that part. Let me crack it open and then we can look at the model. And the model is free. So here's the attachment. So it has one flat attachment and this one with a shovel and teeth on it. Let's see how easy it is to take it apart. Oh, it was actually quite easy. So anyway, that will be the other one. I'm not gonna put it because I'm gonna leave it with this one. Here's all the detail. This part moves. The reason why I don't want to get those other, see the caterpillar. Models is not because I don't like them, it's because with 187 scale you lose a lot of the detail, and I'm used to the 164 scale detail already. So this part is metal, this is plastic, and this part is plastic, so you got probably 50% diecast, 50% plastic molding. But it's pretty cool. Pretty little video. Sorry, pretty little model for this video. Oh, let's put the other attachment over here. Let's get a close up. Hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry I haven't been able to make more videos. Been having some phone/camera troubles, so hopefully we can fix that and get back into the rhythm. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and support the channel so we can bring more diecast to this channel and to the whole diecast community. And as always, thank you. Have a wonderful day. See ya.